In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Godaddy in 2026. We'll start on the Godaddy homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the right account. In the top right corner of the site, open your account menu, then choose My Products. This takes you to a dashboard where all your domains, websites, and services live. If you manage more than one business or website, pick the one you want to work on so you're editing the correct site. Next, look for your Websites plus Marketing site and select Edit Website. This opens the visual editor. Give it a moment to load. Large sites can take a few seconds. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you want your video to appear. Use the Pages panel to move between pages and open the specific page you want to update. On that page, move your cursor to the spot where you'd like the video. You'll see an option to add a new content block. Click Add Section. A library of section types appears on the left. Scroll or search for the category called Audio and Video, then choose the Video option. Godaddy will insert a video section with a placeholder so you can configure it. Now it's time to add your actual clip. Click to browse and select your video from your computer or choose one from your existing site media if you've uploaded it before. For the smoothest playback, use a widely compatible format like MP4, H.264 video with AAC audio, and keep the file size as lean as possible to help your page load quickly. Short, well-compressed videos deliver a better experience, especially on mobile. After the upload or selection finishes, your video will appear in the editor. Customize any available settings in the panel, such as the section title, description, alignment, and spacing. If there are layout styles, pick the one that best fits your design. Consider adding a clear title that explains what viewers will see and a brief description for context. Take a moment to check how it looks on different devices. Switch to the mobile preview inside the editor and make sure the video frame, text, and spacing are tidy and readable. If your platform allows it, set a custom thumbnail so the first impression looks polished. Avoid autoplay with sound. It can be disruptive and may be blocked by some browsers. Provide captions or a transcript if your source supports it. This improves accessibility and helps viewers who watch with sound off. When the video displays correctly in the editor, you've successfully added it to your Godaddy site. Great job, and enjoy showcasing your content.